Hello and welcome to Excel Essentials. In this session, we'll be covering the check performance feature, which is only available for Excel on the web. So we're going to have a look at the check performance feature in Excel for the web. And as we have here, I have an Excel file ready to go. Now I'm just going to click open in browser. Now, as it does that, it's going to open it in Excel for the web for me. And one of the great things about the check performance feature is that if your workbook has certain amounts of formatting which may not be useful and it could be slowing down your workbook, in Excel for the web, it will show you this banner here by default. And in this workbook, for example, there are lots of unused formatting and elements that can be changed. Now we can click on the check performance item here and it will open a pane on the right hand side. We can either click on that or we can go to review and then click on performance, which falls under the proofing section of the ribbon. Now if we have a look here, we can see that it wants us to see how many cells that could be optimized out of the total cells in the workbook. And there's only one worksheet which is actually problematic, and that's the worksheet we're currently on called Start. Now, if we click on Start, you can see it labels all the ranges which could be optimized. Now, you can click through and you can have a look at what ranges are selected. But if you just want to optimize all in one go, you have that option too. All you have to do is click Optimize Sheet. And granted that no one else is in the workbook, I have it open in Excel on desktop, so I'm just going to click and close that. Now, if you go and hit Optimize Worksheet when no one is in the file, you can see it's now optimized the workbook and it's optimized and removed unnecessary formatting, well, in this case, from over 1,000,000 cells. Now, if we go back to here, if we were to add in a different column, which will be the size column, if we click apply and add that into SharePoint, you can see that the file 3 minutes ago was 2.7 megabytes in size. Now we're just going to save it, even though it's auto-saved in the web version automatically. And what we're going to do is we're just going to click on refresh. And as we can see, the file size has now been reduced drastically to only 33.7 kilobytes compared to the over 2.5 earlier. Stay tuned for more Excel Essentials.